Hi my beautiful igboticnonos, welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video we're going to be learning na in Igbo language. Igbo language, the uses and of course how they write it, how it helps us to make sentences, phrases in Igbo language. Na can be used as a conjunction word, that is njiko in Igbo. Njiko, conjunction. Njiko, conjunction. It can also be used as preposition, mbuzo, mbuzo, mbuzo. And the third one, it can also be used as auxiliary verb, inyemaka ngwa, inyemaka ngwa. So it can be used as this conjunction, preposition, and of course auxiliary verb. And when we go further now, you understand the reason why I started it this way. So in conjunction word, when you're using na in conjunction word, I saw this so many times somehow in my other videos that have been shooting on this channel, especially when I thought about numbers. When I was trying to say Irina ato, I told you that na there is a conjunction word. That is what brings the iri and the ato, which is 10 and 3, 13. Iri ato, that is what brings it together. But now we're going to be talking about it. You know, this is just the topic for it. Okay, so conjunction is what that na is the conjunction. In English is and. Na in English is and. It brings things together. For example, jina ede, yam and cocoyam. Jina ede, yam and cocoyam. Obi na ada, obi and ada. Do you understand? Nchana ude, soap and pomade. Nchana ude, soap and pomade. Aka na ohu, hand and leg. Aka na ohu, hand and leg. Mụ na gị, me and you. Okeke na Okafọ, Okeke and Okafọ. Bread, achịcha na osikapa. Bread and rice. Do you understand? It brings words together. These words mean different things on their own, but this na brings it together. Some sentences that you can use as well. You can also say wetere mu ose na, wetere mu ose na nnu. Bring me pepper and salt. When you need something, when you two words joins together, we use na, conjunction word in Igbo. And as a preposition, we usually use it for places. Do you understand? As preposition, we usually use it for places or nature. For example, here, na Nsukka, na Nsukka, na Nsukka. Nsukka is a place in Enugu State. Na Nsukka, at or in Nsukka, we use na for it. Na Kaduna, in Kaduna. Na Kaduna, in Kaduna, or at Kaduna, we use na. Okay. Anambra dị na Nigeria. Anambra is in Nigeria. Anambra is in Nigeria. Anambra dị na Nigeria. Na kpakpando, na kpakpando, in the sun. Na kpakpando, in the sun. Do you understand? It can be used as preposition. In and at. In Lagos. Na Lagos. Anyị jere na Lagos. We went to Lagos. Do you understand? And it can also be used as an auxiliary verb. As an auxiliary verb here, for example, na here, in or at the market. N'ihu, in front. N'azụ, at the back. N'akụkụ, by the side. N'okpuru, under. N'etiti, in the middle. Do you understand? N'ime, inside. tinye ya n'ime, put it inside. N'ime, inside. N'oge Easter, at Easter time. N'oge ekeresimesi, at Christmas time. Do you understand? At Christmas time. Do you get? So it can also be used as an auxiliary verb, which you have seen here. Na is a very important word in Igbo language because it helps us to be used in a consistent conjunction, as preposition, as an auxiliary verb. If you see the video where I made about how to read, write, and speak in Igbo language, which I'm going to leave the video here, I made mention of reading children novels will help you to write, because I expect you to read the novel, then translate, then write summary, not translate. So no matter how many you summarize, it's still a plot. This na is a very important word. We use it often to join things together. We use it often to assist a word, just like I have said the examples here. I didn't want to take this video, I didn't want to make this video very bogus. If I make it bogus, you will not understand. This is elementary Igbo learning classroom. That is why I stated this way. It's very simple. As conjunction word, auxiliary, as conjunction word, as a preposition, buzo, as conjunction, njiko, and as auxiliary verb. And I made mentions the examples so that when you're reading, you will understand when you see this type of word. Do you understand? Thank you guys for watching. Hope you're enjoying my content so far. I try as much as possible to make my learning, to make my teaching as simple as possible. If you have watched my video, I recommend you watch my video Preposition in Igbo language, and also present tense and past tense in Igbo language. This will help you to make sentences about yesterday, today, and in the future. You need to watch that video as well. I'm going to leave the picture here so you can look for such a video, because already on my description, I think I have a video there on my description that I want you guys to watch at the beginning of this video when I started it already. So guys, this is just it. I'm not feeling very too fine today, but I said I'm going to be posting video every blessed day, so why not? Why not? So I'm here doing it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.